Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best record players Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Victrola Portable Bluetooth Record Player. It has more than a century of experience spinning vinyl, starting with the gramophone in the early 1900s. The company has gone through plenty of transitions since then, and these days it's Crosley's main competitor. Their 3-speed, belt-driven Journey record player matches up to Crosley's Cruiser on features, including RCA outputs, a headphone jack, and Bluetooth, promising connection up to 33 feet. As much as we love our best overall pick, this vinyl player is also nearly half the weight at 2.7 pounds, a definite plus if you're planning on taking your tunes on the road. Combined with Victrola's unparalleled sound quality and exquisite craftsmanship, and a wide range of styles, patterns and colors to choose from, get ready to create lifelong music memories. Features an input select knob, power/volume knob and amp, an auto stop switch that stops spinning records once the record is finished playing. Number 2. Our second best pick is Victrola Nostalgic Aviator Record Player. If you love the look of 1940s vintage radios, this is the record player for you, which is more of a modern entertainment center housed in an old-fashioned hardwood cabinet. While it may not be a cheap option, it has a slew of features in addition to 3 speeds, Bluetooth, RCA outputs, and a headphone jack. You can record from vinyl to MP3, and there's also a CD player, cassette deck, and an AM/FM radio, plus a USB port and remote control. The Nostalgia Aviator is available in 5 finishes and delivers fairly decent sound and volume for built-in speakers. It's pricier than other record players, but it's hard to argue considering the number of features, and more than 10,000 customers give it an average 4.6 stars. Number 3. Our third best pick is ByronStatics Vinyl Record Player. This 3-speed record player doesn't have brand name status like Crosley or Victrola, but for $10 to $15 less, it's a cheap yet solid option if you're looking to save a few bucks. It serves up plenty of retro style, available in 4 faux leather case colors, including the eye-catching teal that's shown. It also offers some similar features, including Bluetooth, RCA outputs, a headphone jack, and 2 stereo speakers, plus its belt drive for smooth listening has an auto-stop function, and it comes with a replacement diamond stylus. The only drawback is that the tone arm is a bit too lightweight and doesn't automatically retract after the record stops playing, so it needs to be lifted off the album. Perfect size, the vinyl player is lightweight, perfect for travel speakers, great for intimate parties, and comes with an extra needle and 9V 800 mAh DC adapter. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Victrola 50s Retro Bluetooth Record Player. You'll want to dust off Chuck Berry, Buddy Holly, and Bill Haley and amp his Comets and to spin on this 50s diner-inspired Victrola 3-speed record player, which has many of the same modern features as the vintage Crosley above, minus the remote control. There's a CD player, cassette deck, and an AM/FM radio, along with Bluetooth and the ability to record from vinyl to MP3, plus a headphone jack, RCA outputs, and Bluetooth connectivity. Color choices include teal, blue, and black in addition to fire engine red. It also gets high marks from customers, with an average 4.6 stars for more than 5,200 reviewers. It has a competitive price point, though it may be more than you need. Its 115-year commitment to craftsmanship is evident in the stylish retro case, strong build quality, gentle lifting mechanism, and well-balanced sound. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is VOKSUN Vintage 3-speed vinyl player. This highly rated model is a stylish all-in-one vinyl player with a beautiful retro package. The case is super stylish and features faux wood panel hardware, rounded corners, and sleek black accents. The belt-driven, 3-speed record player has an AM/FM radio, RCA audio output, and a headphone jack. It also has Bluetooth, though it should be noted that it only works with Bluetooth input, not output, so speakers won't work without an additional transmitter. More than 1,000 customers give it a solid 4.3 stars, with several saying they're impressed with its aesthetics as well as the player's sound, which is best in small rooms. Some reviewers say the speakers are weak, however. Premium sound quality helps you truly appreciate the warm and smooth sound of your vinyls. Dual built-in stereo speakers ready to blast out of the box. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.